Hello, John Hobbs here. I'm really excited. We have an opportunity for you. 6 referrals that'll get you paid. Referral number 1, anyone wanting to get into real estate investing. No matter what they want to do, whether it's fix and flip, wholesale, buy and hold, notes, lease options, apartments, multifamily, you name it, we do it and we teach it. 2, anyone looking for an income opportunity where they can earn between $204 and $8,532 a month. And yes, we get paid twice a week, every week, if you're producing results. 3, anyone that would like to save 2/3 off their taxes. Of course, we teach you how to do that. 4, anybody that is looking to pay off their house in 1/3 the time. That's pretty significant because you save a lot of interest doing it. 5, anybody that you may know that's in foreclosure or having trouble paying their mortgage, any type of real estate challenges, we can help. And 6, anybody, just absolutely anybody that's a homeowner that is tired of paying their electric bill. Because I'll tell you what, we can help them eliminate that debt, period, with solar. There's no obligation, and that is a free in-home evaluation estimate, and you get, on the spot, you get to know all the numbers. Pretty cool. Now, what I would like to end by saying is my usual ending, is to learn, or to change, you have to learn something new, you have to think something new, you have to say something new, and most importantly, you have to do something new, and you will change. Thank you.